Laboratory Precision Tumble Dryer. As per ENISO, AATCC, M&S, H&M, and other retailers buyer. Do not start the appliance until the door is firmly closed. Cotton. Suitable for drying clothing made from cotton and linen. Synthetic. Suitable for drying clothing made from synthetic fibers. Mix. Suitable for drying clothing made from a mixture of materials. Down. Suitable for drying clothing made from down materials. Wool. Suitable for drying clothing made from wool. Bedsheet. Suitable for drying large items such as bedsheets. Shirts. Suitable for drying shirts. Underwear. Suitable for drying underwear. Baby care. Suitable for drying baby clothes. Delicate. Suitable for drying clothing made from delicate materials such as silk. Refresh. Used to remove strange smells and stray hairs from clothing. Express. Used to dry clothing quickly. Timer. Select to configure a time to begin the dry cycle. Delay. Select to configure a time to begin the dry cycle. Crease care. Select to reduce wrinkling during the dry cycle. Child lock. Select to prevent children from using the appliance by mistake. You can select any time between 30 minutes and 256 minutes based on your requirements. The temperature can be set anywhere between 30 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius. You can adjust both time and temperature as per your specific needs or buyer requirements. Front exhaust. Lint trap. This lint trap must be cleaned after each dry cycle.